This projector comes with a few pre-installed apps that we frequently use. But if you feel that still something is missing, you can go to the App Store here. You would need to log into or sign into your account here. We have already done that. After that, you can search for any app that you want and you can then download it. So this projector has two interfaces. First one is the one that you're already seeing on the screen. The second one comes when you click on this desktop option. The moment you click on it, you will see an interface similar to how your Android TV or smart TV looks like. So it's easy for you to navigate through this interface. If you want to come back to the previous one that was there, you can come again to the desktop option, open, and it's there.